So now we understood we can locate a web element, and after that, if it is a text field, we will write send keys. If you want to click on a particular web element, you will do dot click. So on a web element, what are the operations that we can perform? Send keys or click operation. So that's what we need to remember. Okay, right. And what is the importance of this line number 22? So I will tell you this one as well. See, once you navigated to this website, sometimes your page is loading and it is keep on it is showing as a refresh, and still username text field is not displayed, password text field is not displayed, and login button is not displayed. Okay, during that time when program is executing, okay, if this web element is not identified, it will throw an exception. Unable to locate this username field, unable to locate password text field, unable to locate login button, because it has been not displayed on the web page, because the web page is keep on loading like that. So during that time, the driver, it has to wait. Okay, so it has to wait until that web page is loading, until those web elements are loading. So I'm telling, in case any of the web element is not loading on the web page, I want to wait for 20 seconds. Got the point? So don't throw immediately exception. Just wait for 20 seconds, at least wait for 20 seconds. Suppose if this web element got loaded, immediately that line will be executed. Suppose if this web element got loaded, immediately that line will be executed. Suppose if still this web element is not loaded on the web page, again driver firstly it will wait for 20 more seconds. Okay, it does not mean it will wait completely 20 seconds. Okay, so it max wait for 20 seconds. In case within the 20 seconds also it is not loaded, it will throw no such element exception. Got the point? So that's why I had written this. Okay, so better to write as a best coding practice, in case any of the web element is not loading on the web pages. So driver, it will wait for certain time and it will look for that web element. When the web element is available, these lines will be executed. Okay, so that's what we understood. So you can keep 30 seconds, 40 seconds, but generally people will keep implicitly wait 10 to 30 seconds, sir. Okay, so people max, people will give up to 30 seconds. You can give 60 seconds also. Okay, that is whatever time we had defined, it will follow like that. Okay, right. So can we continue set of driver commands here, remaining lines of code? So after navigating to login page, okay, after navigating to login page, I will tell you the scenarios. You can guide me how to write set of driver commands. Okay, so first I will tell you the scenario. I want to click on admin. Got the point? I want to click on admin, and after that I want to click on qualifications. Okay, second instruction. And third instruction, I want to click on skills. Okay, and fourth instruction, I want to click on add button. And after that, I want to enter skill name as Java 1. And next instruction, I want to enter Java 1 description. You can enter whatever values you want in this text fields. And finally, I want to click on save. These are the set of driver commands I want to execute. Okay, so Java 1 record had been created just now. So this is the record had been created. So what is the first web element I want to click? Admin. So to click on this web element, for this web element developer, he can provide ID, name, or XPath we can get. So let me inspect admin. So how to inspect this web element? Right click, click on inspect. Your body got highlighted. What I need to do? Again, I have to inspect. Right click, click on inspect. So this one, developer had given ID or name? No, right? Okay, so let's take copy. So if ID name had not been given, we can write XPath only. Okay, let's click on copy element. Okay. Double slash
Span.
tag name span, and within the square bracket I can take, see this is empty. I don't want to prefer that one. And here this is a very big one, correct? Okay, so instead of taking big ones, there is a shortcut also is available. See, I want to click on admin, right? Okay, so you can write text of is equal to whatever value had been given. So we can also write attribute is equal to value, at the rate attribute is equal to value. That process we already know. So I'm telling one more new technique. Okay, text of is equal to admin. This is the second approach. Okay, suppose if the text had been given, whichever web element, you can write text of is equal to admin. Okay, so I'm taking the XPath of this one. So I'm copying this line, Control C, and so I want to click on admin, right? So I am changing the XPath. So once it is navigated to login, after that admin button will be clicked. Correct? Right. I'm clicking on save.
Yes.
So it is clicking on admin. So after clicking on admin, what is the next instruction I want to do?
Qualification.
Qualifications. So tell me how to do. Right click, inspect. So there is no ID, no name. So what I need to do? Copy element. So right click on those three dots, click on copy element. Let's come back to the notepad. So 1 second. Qualifications, right? 1 second. So I had copied copy element. All right. So here qualifications is there. Now you can tell me how to write the XPath. Double slash
span.
Tag name span within the square brackets. I can take this one also, but this is very big. It can be identified, but better to go with the text of. Text of is equal to. See here, developer had given space also. Let's take space also. Okay, if developer is giving space, you need to take that one also. See, previously there is no space here. Okay, so whatever text is there, we will take. That's it. So if developer is giving space, I will take space as well. So now I can use this one. So admin qualifications. So once this admin click, and I want to click on qualifications. It is clicking on qualifications dot click. Okay, so after clicking on qualifications, what I want to do? I want to click on skills. So right click on inspect, and this is the one. So is there ID or name had been given or not? No, I need to write XPath only. So copy element. Guys, you only need to tell XPath now. 1 second. Tell me the XPath how I need to write. Double slash. Yeah. Tag name is here. A had been given. Text of is equal to skills. And I can use this XPath. So within the double quotation, I kept this. So admin qualifications and skills, it will be clicked. Okay, right now, so we have written up to skills. After clicking on skills, it is navigating to here. So now which line I want to inspect? Add button. Okay, let's inspect add button. So this is the one. So copy element. So let's check ID name had been given or not. No, it has not been given. So now I want to write XPath. Okay, you can tell me guys how to write the XPath. Double slash button. So we will take attribute. Here directly type is equal to button is there. At the rate.
Single quotes.
Sir, in the above cases, we don't need to write at the rate before text.
Text of is equal to you no need to write. In text of you no need to write. Only attribute value only you have to write.
Okay, sir.
So after clicking on admin qualification skills button, I am clicking on add button. So just for my understanding purpose, I am writing here / add button. So if you want to write some comments to understand your purpose, you can write /. So it's easy to understand. It clicks on skills. And here it clicks on qualification. Here it clicks on admin. So just for your understanding purpose, you can keep like that. Okay. Right. Now we clicked on admin button and add button. And after that, I came to here. So what I need to do now? I want to enter skill name and I want to enter skill description. So which web element I want to enter? Skill name. So let me inspect this one. Click on inspect. Click on inspect. So copy element.
Yes.
One second. Right. All right. Okay, you can tell me now.
Double slash.
Tag name is input. At the rate class is equal to. I can take completely this one.
Yes.
Okay. So now let me take this one. So this is a send keys operation or click operation?
Send keys.
Send keys, right? So let me write send keys. So within the double quotation, I want to write some value. So let me take this X path. Within the double quotation. So skill name, I want to enter some value Java 2. So, okay. Now after that, I want to enter skill description as well. So Java 2 description. So I want to write XPath, right? So let me inspect that one. Okay, going back, skill description, right click on inspect. Name or ID had been given or not? No. So click on copy element. Okay, now you can tell me guys how to write XPath. /.
Text area.
Square brackets begin and ending. We can take this one, right? Easy one.
Placeholder.
Yeah, we can take any of the attribute value. You can keep at the rate. And you can change it to single quotation. Same process. Control C. Skill description, Java 2 description got entered. Okay. Now I'm saving. And after that, what I need to do? I want to click on save. Okay, let me inspect. Save. So here save. Name or ID had been given? No. So let's write copy element. Yes, you can tell me now. Here save button name it had been given right this. So I can take text of is equal, right? So /button. Brackets text of is equal to. So here spaces also it had been given. I will take spaces as well. Control C and I'm taking spaces as well. So this is the one. Okay. So now I want to do click operation because this is a login button, save button. So
Save button. Dot click.
right. So if you see these lines of code, we can understand it looks like coding only. But if you see if you go through the each line of code, it's look like simple English only. So what is happening? We are clearly understanding. We are entering username value as admin, password value as admin123, and we are doing login button dot click. And after that, I'm clicking on admin click, qualification skills click, and add button click. And I'm entering skill name as Java 2 and skill 3 as Java 2 description. And after that, I want to click on button save. Okay, so let me run this program and we will see. So it's launched, it's maximized application URL, and it has to enter username, password, and login button click. And it has to click on admin qualification skills, add button. And so the set of driver commands, it's executed very fast. We cannot able to see execution progress. Let me check the record had been created or not. So what is the record? Java 2. So I can check Control F. See, I'm checking the record had been created or not. Java 2. Sorry? Java 1. Okay. So, no. Java 2. Why this record was?
Java 2 on base.
Something went wrong. 1 second.
Failed.
No such element exception. We got issue while executing the program. One second. Ekada? Everything is correct only. 1 second.